This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 33BHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, refrigerator, oven, smoke detector, microwave, air conditioning, and 59 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 33BHL is 7,928 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.